Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to learn more about holistic, natural, and eco living at this channel. That's what we do. We expand it through everyday life. And speaking of that, I wanted to touch base with my Divinez about some natural stuff that I'm going to do in everyday life. My son has a cough. My boopy, he has a little cough, but I don't really hear it that much now. But like any parent, when I notice something, I think of, what can I do? Just wanted to share, I went to get some herbs and I instantly thought, let me share it with my Divinez. And so there's a combination. I'll put where you can get this combination from, and then I can also, if you want to get the herbs separately, because I know we all do different things and we mix different things, so I understand. And this particular combination, and this is good for not just a cough, but like if you use your throat a lot for different things, you know, for different vocal things, just in general, very nourishing for that area. This is mullein and coltsfoot and marshmallow root and elderflower and chamomile. And I'm also using a tincture. I already gave him the tincture. It's called osha root. I think this is very prevalent in Mexico. Osha root. And I'll more than likely put some video up on my social media or maybe on YouTube of how it goes when he takes these different things, to let you know, of course, right? But I wanted to share. And this is a lovely natural combination. And of course, if there's any other tips I come across, I will share it as well. As always, I love sharing natural remedies with my Divinez. And as you probably know, I share a lot of that on my social media, such as my Instagram as well, and my other platforms. So be sure to check those platforms out as well. So as always, I'm going to get back to dinner, making my boopy cakes dinner. And I want you all to be well. Be true to yourself and honor yourself.